Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the PDF in Preview and immediately revealing the tools you need. Once the file is open, enable thumbnails so you can see pages at a glance and select the ones to work on. Click the markup toolbar icon. This unlocks text, shapes, highlight, and signature tools. Make sure to save a backup first, because Preview edits overwrite files by default. Use Duplicate from the File menu to keep the original intact before proceeding. Now you'll perform the core edits, adding text, changing images, and managing pages. Use the Text tool to insert new text boxes, then set font, size, and color in the markup bar so content matches the document. To replace or add images, drag files onto a page or use Edit Insert. Once placed, resize and align with handles. For layout changes, drag thumbnails to reorder, select and press Delete to remove pages, or use Rotate to correct orientation, keeping visual flow consistent. Finish by exporting a clean PDF and securing it if required. Once done, use File Export as PDF to flatten annotations so they become permanent, and choose settings that preserve quality. If you need signatures, apply the Signature tool, then use File Export to add password protection. If something goes wrong, if changes vanish or the wrong file was modified, check versions via File Revert To or restore the duplicate you created earlier. This simple step recovers lost work quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.